In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how you can redirect your custom domain to an online store or website. So the first thing that we need to do once we are on the Namecheap homepage is head over to Account in the top right hand corner, click on Dashboard, and then once we select Dashboard, what we now need to do is we now need to go to the custom domain that we want to redirect. So for me, I will choose this one, go over, click on Manage, and now what you need to do is you need to go to the top bar here, scroll over and then select Advanced DNS. Once we click on Advanced DNS, you want to come down to this. It will now say no records found, or if there is any records here, you can delete them. Now what we can do is we can now head over to our store or website to get our DNS records, which will look something like this. So we've got an A name and a C name. So we need to go over to Namecheap. I will click on Add New Record, click on A record, and in here I will type an @sign. From here, I now need to go back, copy this right here, and then you want to go over and paste this into where it says IP address, and then click on the tick icon to save changes. Now what we need to do is we need to add another, so we need to add a CNAME record, click on Add New Record, scroll down to CNAME. In the host, you want to put www, head back over to here, copy this, and then once we go back over to Namecheap, we will then be able to paste this into our target. And then again, we want to click on the tick icon to save changes. Now, once you have done this, that will mean that you're fully done. I have entered in all my DNS records. What you sometimes need to do is you sometimes need to confirm this on your online store or website platform. So for me, I will go over to Shopify, and then I will just click on I updated DNS record right here. Now, once I click on this, that will mean that I'm good to go. It might take 24 to 48 hours to fully work and fully redirect and update your custom domain. But this means that you will now be able to use your custom domain for your website or online store.